I'm Dr. Paramita Basu from Key Art and Design. So today we have come with the UCEED and CEED form filling. It is almost similar, and my office will help you to show you to fill the form. And till any problem you are getting with the form filling, you can WhatsApp me in my number, and you can even message me, and you will please write your name and your state and anything which you require to fill, anything you want to ask. And those who are not till now not started the anything preparation, or you want any help, we have started our crash course, so please do join our us. Same thing, you can WhatsApp me if you want to join our crash course. So over to my office, and now you will can fill the see how they have filled the form, and it will help you all out.
Search UCEED 2024 on Google. Next, click on UCEED 2024. Next, click on Registration Portal. Now, click on Register. Provide your email address and click on Register. You'll receive an email for registration. Click on the link to proceed. This type of form will appear on the screen. Now, fill your salutation. Write down your first name, middle name, and last name. Fill your date of birth. Select your gender. Write down your mobile number and address. Select if you are Indian or non-Indian resident. Now, select your country, state, district, city, and PIN code. Now, select a question and write down its secret answer, which would be required in the emergency to reset your password in case you forget it. Now, create a strong password. Rewrite your password to confirm it. Now, enter the CAPTCHA code and click on Register. So once you register, Go to UCEED homepage and click on Login. Fill your given email address and password you created to proceed for login. Select yes or no if you have any physical disability. Select your caste category, your date of birth, and +2 qualifying year. Write down your mobile number and click on Mobile Verification. You'll receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Fill the OTP and click on Mobile Verification again. Most of the details have been filled already. Now, select yes or no if you have changed your name before. Select yes or no if you belong to EWS section. Write down your father's and mother's name. You can also provide an alternate mobile number if you have any. Now we have to fill educational qualifications. Select your qualifying exam, your year of passing. Select board and stream. Next, write down your school name or college name and its address. Now you have to choose 3 exam cities according to your preference. Next, click on Save option. Check all the details you have filled and click on Confirm. Next, you have to submit your passport size photograph and your signature. For age proof, submit either birth certificate, 10th mark sheet, or passport. For qualifying exam, submit 12th mark sheet, and these two files should be in PDF format. Now click on Upload Documents. Now check all the information once again before submitting the application. Scroll down to the end of the form and tick on the declaration. Next, click on Save and Proceed to Payment option. Next, click on Make Payment and submit the application form.
I think this now the form filling which is already shown in this video will help you a lot. So don't forget to like and share, and those who have come first time in this channel, do subscribe, and we'll meet again with more videos. Till then, bye for today.